Good afternoon. My name is Raúl Alonso Alejandro Arevalo, and I will talk about the climate change in relation with international trade. Okay, imagine the world where our actions today determine the climate for tomorrow. The objective of the presentation is understand the urgency of addressing climate change uh, and creating a sustainable future for new generations. For example, the kids. Okay. The international trade promotes pollution and reduction by improving supply chains with electronic trucks. This point is very important. Based on official source, I can say that the information is true and important to understand. Okay. It is important to understand the relationship between international trade and climate change. Not only allows you to face the challenge of rapid changing world, um, um, but also opens the door to sustainable opportunities. Okay, the next are the very important my ideas, in my opinion, in base of a source, official source. The number one, improve supply chains to be more sustainable. For example, they use solar energy for vehicles. This reduce the carbon footprint. The number two, the transportation. The transportation has to be more sustainable to reduce greenhouse effect and implementing technologies in logistic. Uh, these technologies can help draw more accurate routes and help use less gasoline. In addition, alternative fuels such as hydrogen can be used. The number three, the information exchange between nations is very important for the sustainable evolution. Participating in international forums and conferences dedicated to sustainable development um, helps to have relations with other countries and to have sustainable transportation strategies. Uh, uh, to the transportation strategies is very important for the use less gasoline. Um, in conclusion, um, I mentioned that the international trade is the key to changing the world. The changing the world change. In secondly, I mentioned three main ideas. In my opinion, are very important for sustainable. And this is the relationship between international trade and climate change. In specific for the transportation, the supply chains. This is the point very important. I mentioned three main ideas for sustainable solution, and that in a united world we can reduce environmental impact. Thanks for watching.